Congratulations. To other news now, personality disorders are said to be the most difficult of mental disorders to treat. In some instances, patients become violent. Consultant psychiatrist and chairman of the Mental Health Task Force, Dr. Earl Wright, says there's no cure. TVJ Shamela Mitchell has more in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
A personality disorder is a type of mental disorder in which you have a rigid and unhealthy pattern of thinking, functioning, and behaving. A person with a personality disorder has trouble perceiving and relating to situations and people. This causes significant problems and limitations in relationships, social activities, work, and school.
It's individuals with personality disorders that contribute more to violence and causing issues than any other mental problems. And in Jamaica, the research shows that nearly half of the population suffer from a personality disorder.
Consultant psychiatrist and chairman of the Mental Health Task Force, Dr. Earl Wright, says because this condition cannot be cured, early intervention is critical and must happen when the brain is developing.
And therefore, we're starting at when the brain is most malleable, when the brain is plastic and you can do a lot with it. By the time you reach age 8, 10, a lot of the behaviors are already hardwired. So there is no question that the research is already well done, documented. The focus has to be on the early years.
Dr. Wright says the Mental Health Task Force has made recommendations for the training of more community health aides so they can increase their presence in communities. By doing this, parents and guardians would be better assisted in how to raise their child or children effectively.
And also link back with the hospitals so that if there is a problem relating to violence in the community, they can intervene and prevent the constant retribution that takes place on an ongoing basis.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health.